My name is Halla from Iceland, and I've been dancing tango for, 7 or 8 months?
Yeah, since November
last
year. My name is Fúsi, also from Iceland, and we have been practicing together, started in November last year. Yes, we were worried that we were such a beginner level, we weren't experienced enough. So yeah, we were a bit worried about that.
Yeah,
but
that it would maybe be too advanced. But I think the course has been it's also good for mixed level because of the focus on the music, feeling the music and the dynamics.
Yeah.
And also just a very friendly and inclusive atmosphere. I've danced with participants that are at an advanced level, but very giving, like a giving and friendly.
And the approach, I mean, it's musicality, it's connection, it's the embrace. It's not so focused on technique, still there is, but so it's more about the feeling and connecting with the music, connecting with your partner.
And the joy of dancing.
Wow, okay, that's a good question.
Yeah. I really enjoyed the latest session where we were practicing feeling and following the different elements. I like that.
We were doing really slow steps and feeling the moment and listening to the music. And
Taking a pause.
Taking a breathe, reconnecting, and the ambrose.
A lot.
A lot.
So not always just tak, 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 running through it, but just kind of focusing on the feeling, on the music, on the connection. Yeah.
This is for me really new. Up until now, been focusing on the steps.
Learning sequences,
and stuff like that. So this is kind of the next level, and I'm really happy that we're doing it here and now. Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
No, just do it.
Just do it.
Great experience,
Yeah.
and we are really happy that we came.
Yeah, great 3 days.
Yeah.